The opioid epidemic doesn't discriminate. We've brought you stories on how it impacts everyone in the community, despite race, gender, age, or even socioeconomic status. This opioid use can oftentimes lead to overdose deaths. Brittany Toulis attended a training course that aims to curb the high rate of narcotic-related deaths. She has more.
Jerica, the faster treatment is given at the site of an overdose, the better chance a person has to survive, which usually doesn't happen until emergency crews get to the scene, and those are valuable minutes. Training equips normal citizens to give a drug counteracting antidote like Narcan.
It affects you when you watch and you see, and there's nothing you can do.
After witnessing multiple overdoses, Gina Smiley decided to take matters into her own hands and learn how to be prepared. Hope Over Addiction and the Winnebago County Health Department partnered up to train classes on Narcan administration in an effort of curbing the opioid overdose deaths in the state line.
I felt like the patient was suffering because I wasn't trained and I couldn't give it, and I had to wait for, I had called 911 and had to wait for them to get there.
You can be there to support, but you don't have anything that you can reverse it. So, and you watch people pass away, and they shouldn't have to.
The antidote reverses the effects of the opioids in the body. And now it comes in the form of a nasal spray, making it easy to give to someone who's overdosing.
I think is a good thing because it looks familiar, and people who are not medical professionals, who have allergies, or whatever, will be more comfortable using it.
The Centers for Disease Control released data this week that says fentanyl is the most abused drug in the nation. In Winnebago County, the numbers of drug-related deaths has gone up since 2017.
It's everywhere around Rockford, you know what I mean? So better to have it on hand so that you can help anyone who's out there. I'll just carry one with me at all times, in my purse or in my lab coat at work.
Well, at my work there's probably 3, but there's not one on the night shift. So now at least there'll be one on the night shift.
The Winnebago County Coroner has not yet released an exact number on the overdose-related deaths for the entire year. Jerica?
Thanks, Brittany.